Good morning everyone, happy 16th of December. You having a good week? I hope so. Start to a fabulous week. Join me the other side of the intro because I've got some very, very special magic mail off one of my wonderful friends. You ready? Hit it, maestro! I cannot believe we got 9 days. Where has the time gone to? I don't know. It's the 16th, so you ready? Lights, camera, action! No! I did that wrong. Should we do that again? We did do that again. You ready? Lights, camera, action! So, I've got my Tokyo ears on. I have, but I've got my American Spirit jersey because I got some goodies off my wonderful friend James. So before we do that, it's advent calendars, just rescued them. So my Milky Bar one, I just wanted to sing there. Milky Bar kid is strong enough, because only the best is good enough. The creamiest milk, the tastiest bar. The goodness that's in Milky Bar. If anyone needs any extra singers for any shows like Phantom of the Opera, there we go. We have got a milk pudding. It's got my California mug because James from California. Should have got my Vegas mug, but I forgot. It's all stuck to my teeth. It's very decadent doing it in the morning, isn't it? Chocolate for breakfast, right. So my Primark Christmas bauble calendar. So what have we got in this one? So I have got a white glove this time. I think the last time we got a gold one, didn't we? So I got a white Mickey glove. There we go. I thought there was one missing. I was like, but I really shook it up. So I know that there's... Yeah, Karen. Right, my cauldron crate. So let's see what we got in here. So, oh gosh, I'm breaking the box today. Right. Oh, number 16's on top. I'm getting some of the numbers wrong. I know I got day 12 and 17 mixed up because I opened day 17 on 12. So tomorrow I'm going to have to open day 17. Now I'm going to have to open day 12 because it's day 17. Are you confused? I'm confused. So I think this is 16 and I don't think it's 18. But seriously, it could be either, couldn't it? So we'll just open one a day. It doesn't really matter, does it? Right, what's this? Powdered root of asphodel. What's that? So I've got a potion. So I've got a potion of asphodel, whatever that is. Is that what it says? So that's out of my calendar. I'm out of breath today. Right, you ready? I was sent this wonderful box, and James knew how I was feeling a bit with cancelling our trip to Disney. I was really feeling it a bit because of Sav and the internship and what have you. And he's just sent me a box. We didn't do a box swap. He's just sent me a box. So I will be getting him back. He's one of the most loveliest men. He's been doing his channel about the same time as me. But his name of his channel is PALZ. And I put a card up here. I think a lot of people think he just does pins, and he doesn't. He does travel videos. He's really into cameras. He does so many different things. He did opening day at Star Wars in Disneyland. So go and check him out. I'll link him down below and I'll put some videos, but go and check him out. yeah, it was really lovely. And he messaged me at all sorts of times of the day and night because we're 9 hours behind. So when I'm getting up, if I get up at 7, it's only 10 o'clock there. So yeah, we message. What's he doing? He's put me a Christmas envelope. It's bubble wrap. I love that. I'm going to reuse that, James. I love that. Right, okay. What's he put? He's put me a card. Oh. Oh. It's got the most beautiful words, and that means a lot, James. And yeah, exactly. Huge hugs, huge kisses. Taylor won't mind. Taylor's his girlfriend. She won't mind. She'll be quite relieved to have the afternoon off of kisses. So what on earth have you sent me? Right. He loves Wreck-It Ralph. Now, we actually did a box swap. So I'll link that down below. And if I can, I'll link James's, not mine. So you'll see what I sent to James. But that'll get you over onto his channel, you see. So there's a method in my madness. But please go and check him out. He's a lovely, lovely human being. What have you sent me? You devil, you've got to sellotape the box. Okay. I don't keep the boxes, so it doesn't matter. I'm going to rip it on a bit sacrilege like that. Oh, James, this is beautiful. Oh my God. I'm not going to cry. I'm not going to cry. I'm not going to cry. I'm going to cut the tag off now because it's going straight on my Christmas tree. My Christmas tree is my memories and my family and things that touch me, and I look at everything on there, it's got meaning. It might be a bit of a hodgepodge, it might be a mishmash, I don't care, it's everything that means something to me. And I've got a big version of this, but I didn't get a tree one, and he's got me the Disneyland tree mug. James, I adore this, and that's going on my Christmas tree, and every time I look at it I'm going to think of you. Yeah, lovely, lovely man. He knows I love pretzels. I think it's because we don't have them really in England. And he told me he was on his last trip, and he just thought about me. We were having some deep and meaningful conversations, and that's why he sent me this. Don't know if that come on. I've got some frosted pretzels, and I've never tried these. And as I'm editing this video, I'm going to sit and scoff these. So if I put another stone on, James, it's your fault. Thank you. Okay. And I've got a very good idea what's in here from what he said to me. And you won't believe the kindness. The real kindness and the real care and the real downright decency. What? He sent me 2 boxes of the stocking stuffers, and I've not opened any of these. I'm going to do that as a separate video. I can't believe you sent me those, James. Anyone know what these are? He sent me these and he's not finished his own set. And he sent me these and the ones he needs might be in here. So I'm hoping I get 2 of the same one. I want 2 of the penguins. So we both get one. And then I hope whatever is in the other box he hasn't got, because then I can send them back to him. So I need the penguin. I've opened all the others. And I'll link that video of me opening them just up above now. I can open these now, James. Ooh. I haven't got my pin board out. It doesn't matter, does it? Right, okay, so we'll put those in. Can you send me some look? I've got this one, but have you got it? I have got this one. It is, oh crikey, it's Mexico. Did you get Mexico? So it's a Mexican one, so I've got that one. Okay. And it is China. I mean, I only need one, so the chances are so remote, aren't they? Right, we got one more box. Come on, send me some luck. I don't need luck. I have got the most amazing friends. I don't need luck. I've got everything I need. Yes, I would very much like that penguin. But I've got my friends. So. No! But you haven't got this one, James, unless you've just swapped for it. We have got Hawaii. So I hope you haven't got that one, because then that's coming straight back. I don't know which ones you've got. No! You tried. I love you. And we've got, I think that's India. So we've got those 4 pins. So I'm really hoping those are 4 you haven't got, because I'm sending them straight to you. Thank you for sending that to me. I will get you back. I will. Love you lots. Love you lots. Give my love to the girls and to Taylor. Taylor, mwah, back at you. Thanks so much, James. Oh, that's put a smile on your face. It certainly put a smile on mine. Go and check him out, please. If that's the one thing you do, go and check him out. He's such a lovely, lovely man. And I don't know if I can put a subscribe link at the end to him. I don't think I can. But go and check him out. In the description, there'll be all the links to him anyway. So please, for me, go and check him out. He's a wonderful man. But I'll see you all tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed that. Be good, be kind. Be kind. Look at this kindness. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you tomorrow for another vlog. Bye for now, everyone. Bye.